We are Photocentric, the innovator for LCD 3D printing.
Here at Photocentric, we develop the machines and the materials to 3D print a vast array of parts for all sorts of industrial applications. At Photocentric, we really believe that 3D printing is the next industrial revolution. We're focusing on moving 3D printing from a prototyping technology into mass manufacture. We develop all of our products in Fusion. It's an incredibly powerful tool that allows us to do all aspects of the design all in one package. Fusion is the backbone of our design process. We design all of our machinery in it. We collaborate with our suppliers. We simulate our machines, generative design, electronics.
So 3 of the products that we offer is LC Titan, LC Nano, and JENI. Titan is the largest LCD 3D printing in the whole world. It has a 32-inch 8K screen inside, and the print height is 1.2 meters. Titan is for any customers who wants to print something large, accurate, and also with high definition. Customers like in the automotive industry, aerospace, entertainment industry like props. So we moved from another platform to Fusion, and the reason we've done that, we wanted to have everything in one place.
We do an awful lot of collaboration with our suppliers on the machine in the design workspace, passing designs backwards and forwards to make sure that we've got everything that we need to in the product before we move on to the drawing workspace. The automated drawing in Fusion really helped us generate an awful lot of the complex drawings that we needed in a very short space of time. From automated drawings to automated modeling, generative design, we use all these tools to really speed up our workflow.
So Nano is our highest resolution, smaller format 3D printer in our product range.
It's the fastest LCD 3D printer in the world. That's thanks to blow peel, our patented technology, which lets us peel really, really fast layers. One of the really unique design features of Nano is that it has a 3D printed housing, which we make in-house, and is only really possible because we use Fusion's product design extension to build in lattices into it, which help it print really, really straight and rigid. Printing these sorts of geometries otherwise would end up with really warped features.
For the Nano, we had a really complex design challenge of designing the electronics, the optics, and the hardware all in one design. The advanced tools like the signal integrity extension really gives us the ability to design right first time, rather than iterating over and over again with the mistakes that we make.
The LED array is actually at a 90-degree angle to the screen, so we use a mirror to reflect the light up. Figuring out where the LEDs actually need to be in space is very important to making sure that the light actually hits the screen where it's meant to. So in order to do that, we can create a lot of sketches in the mechanical workspace. We can translate into the electrical workspace so that LEDs can be positioned accurately on the PCB.
In a machine like this, where the LEDs are crucial to the machine's operation, keeping everything in the same design tool has saved us hundreds of hours of design work, and it really gives us a huge boost to productivity. Our mission is to move 3D printing into mass production, and for that we need automation.
So JENI is our future.
One of the problems with 3D printing is it's really difficult to put into production, so we really wanted to create an automated solution. For that we needed a scalable system that uses a lot of our nano machines, build them into a huge unit capable of automating between printers, washing units, curing units, any part of the process.
When customers, they want to make something with injection molding, now they can actually think about JENI and to have it faster and also more affordable. Digital manufacturing is an industry that is moving so fast, and we can move so fast with Fusion as well.